Hey there, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools. Question I've gotten is, can ClickFunnels make you rich? Well, the answer is no. What can make you rich is your idea. Do you see a problem that other people have that you can help fix? Do you have a message that you want to share with the world? Do you have specialized knowledge that can help change someone else's life? Would you like to get paid for your advice? Your message has the ability to change someone else's life. The impact that the right message can have on someone at the right time in their life is immeasurable. It could help save marriages, repair families, change someone's health, grow a company, and more. But only if you know how to get it into the hands of the people whose lives you've been called to change. That's where ClickFunnels makes that process much, much easier. See, in the past, what I used to do is take all the videos I created and all the copy, and then I'd have a meeting with my team. We'd have designers and programmers and webmasters and analytics people and all that stuff. And that was a huge pain in the butt. I'd give them all the stuff, I'd give them the videos and all the copy, and they'd go and spend the next 2 or 3 months building out a sales funnel. When it was done, it was usually not perfect, but I'd invested a lot of time and a lot of money, so we had to run with it. And that's how business was for me for the last 10 or 15 years. The sales funnel process took forever. See, but today I have a new way, a better way, through a cool tool that, of course, my team and I use every day. And of course, that's ClickFunnels. I got rid of programmers, I got rid of designers and web hosting and a ton of other stuff that saved me at least $1,000 a month. Thing is, ClickFunnels is just a tool. What you need to know is how to use the tool. See, what good is a Ferrari or a Lamborghini if no one taught you how to drive? See, Russell Brunson wrote a book called Expert Secrets that explains exactly how to use ClickFunnels. Expert Secrets can help you find your voice and give you the confidence to become a leader. Expert Secrets will show you how to build a mass movement of people whose lives you can affect. Expert Secrets will teach you how to make a calling that you have into a career, where people will pay you for your advice. See, as Sir Winston Churchill once said, to each there comes a time in their life when a special moment when they're figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered a chance to do a very special thing unique to them, fitted to their talents. And what a tragedy it would be if you were unqualified or unprepared when it could have been your finest hour. See, your message matters. Now, here's the best part is Russell's book is 100% free. You just pay shipping. See, now, did I like this book? Well, this is a picture of me last December on our celebrity cruise during one of our at-sea days. This book changed my business life. And just for your own information, while I was reading this book, my girlfriend was in the mineral water jacuzzi about 10 feet away. And I just want to tell you, if you haven't been on a celebrity cruise, I highly recommend Celebrity's Mineral Water Jacuzzi. And because of the business I've been able to build with ClickFunnels, we're actually taking a summer cruise. It's a West Coast Wing Dance cruise to Alaska next summer. So this is my laptop life, and I have it all due to the business I've been able to grow with ClickFunnels. So what I encourage you to do is click the link below, get a copy of Expert Secrets, and then go ahead and start your 14-day trial. We actually offer some training, 13 videos to actually get you up and started in about anywhere from 2 to 3 hours if you just follow the training step by step. So you can actually maximize and take full advantage of your 14-day free trial. So click the link below, get your free copy of Expert Secrets, and hopefully this video was helpful and you'll be successful with the information that you learn from Expert Secrets, and then you apply it with ClickFunnels. Have a great day.